So did I do good enough for the endorsement, or are we doing another ride? Aurora Ground, November 5068 Golf at Luminaire with Kilo. Request taxi, stay in the pattern, request 27.
November 5068 Golf, Aurora Ground, runway 27, taxi via Alpha, wind is calm.
27 via Alpha, 468 Golf.
What's calm? Come on.
Alright, quick brake check, I'm good. Here we go. Alrighty guys, back with Jared here, doing TailWheel lesson number 3 for the endorsement. Here's hoping I screw anything up.
As long as we don't crash, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to endorse you today.
So knock on wood guys, if you can find
There is-
any.
There is wood.
Just light rain, the winds have died down to calm.
Which is not a good thing.
No.
Better pick back up.
Might start swirling. It was supposed to be, well,
I mean, it's got,
gusting
it's
18.
yeah, it's got to be picking up here.
Somebody asked on the channel if this plane had the wooden or the metal. I did verify that. It's got the metal wings.
This airplane's got the American Champion Super Decathlon metal wings in them as of 7 years ago, I think.
There you go. So we do read the comments. Try to get to as many as we can.
Flying's the easy part.
I do
Responding to every comment's the hard part.
that is. So, between the channel and then the Instagram and the website, I get private messages on the website.
You got a website?
Yeah, 310pilot.net.
I didn't know that.
People had asked to buy gear, like this hoodie I have on is a 310 pilot thing. Jamie drew it up.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah,
That's cool.
Jamie drew it up. So I was like, well, how are we going to do this? So we got a website.
That's awesome.
Tower Decathlon 5068 Golf, ready to go 27, stay in the pattern.
Yeah, 55068 Golf Aurora Tower, wind 080 at 4, runway 27 cleared for takeoff, left closed traffic.
27 clear for takeoff, left closed, Decathlon 68 Golf.
I love that.
Or not tailwind.
So, looking for a crosswind to get a 4-knot tailwind.
Alright, flaps are verified up.
It looks like it.
I did the normal 310 turn. Could have softened the turn a little. Using every ounce of runway. Alright. Straight up TailWheel. And here we go. Very nice.
I mean, you look at there's smoke over there. It's definitely blowing to the west.
Yeah.
Ask for
Nice.
ask for 3-3. See if we can take 3-3.
That's 68 Golf, request 3-3.
Decathlon 68 Golf, change your runway. Do you want to do another, you want to do an option on 9er and then, or a correction on 27, then switch to 3-3, or you want to switch to 3-3 now?
If we can switch to 3-3 now and just do option now.
Yeah, Decathlon 68 Golf, change your runway 3-3, runway 3-3, clear for the option. I'm going to go make left traffic.
3-3 clear for the option on the go left traffic. Decathlon 68 Golf.
There you go. He's still got a lot of flying energy, so that just means he can be more aggressive with the rudder. Very nice. See, that's what neutral stick does right there. When you bring the stick to neutral, the velocity of the airplane goes down the runway and not into it. Good. A little more aggressive on the feet to keep your center line. A little bit more left rudder. There you go. Stick all the way back in the gut. I'm clapping. You can't tell. Very nice. Let's do it again. All right. Excellent. Good.
All right, I'll get this one. This one is going to be better. It'll be even more better. I got the touchdown right that time. This one will get the...
That's what I want to see.
This one will get the center line drift better.
Even though you're still a little fast, you could be slipping the airplane right here as well.
Yeah, I was trying to do the keep the speed up.
All good.
Oh, I knew that was going to be... Oh,
yeah, almost. Whoa. Very nice. That's what I want to see. Excellent. Perfect. I was going to force you to bounce that time anyway, just so you know.
I was about to ask if you did that or if that was me.
No, that one was you.
Damn it.
That was just a little, you know, at the very last second there was too much descent rate, that's all.
Yeah.
I'm sure you felt the airplane kind of fall out of the sky that last, that last second and a half.
Yeah.
So the round out for the wheel landing attitude was perfect. It could have just been an extra 6 inches lower. So if you take the airplane there and you touch the mains on the ground and you push,
yeah,
the airplane's going into the runway. I mean, it's going to cause a massive divergent bounce.
Sure.
And it's going to not be pretty. So
yeah,
good call on giving it power, pulling the stick back. That's the right thing to do. Again, like from the very beginning, talking about wheel landings, I'd rather see you recover from a bounce like that more than I'd rather see you actually do a good wheel landing.
Gotcha. But this one is going to be a good wheel landing, just so you know.
I hope so.
I thought that was...
For your sake and my sake.
I thought that was you.
You'll know when it's me.
I got to the point right where I thought the wheels were about to kiss, but before they kissed,
yep,
I let go of the stick.
Yeah.
3-3 clear for the option.
3-3 clear for the options to take off. Dadgummit.
Now you're flying aerobatic airplanes.
Let's see, I've got the speed right about where I want it here.
Good. Very nice.
Oh yeah. And I'm staying on the center line, sort of.
Good, so let the energy bleed off. All right, there you go. Stick all the way back in the gut when you feel that tail roll down. Excellent, let's do it again.
Oh, I thought we were just doing one good one. Whoa.
All right, he can fix a swerve.
Man, what the hell is going on there?
That may or may not be the last time I do that.
That was an interesting sensation. It's so cool to be like slow and down by the farm fields.
Oh, absolutely.
You can actually see stuff.
That's where tail draggers are meant to be.
I swear, I would love to do a cross country like serious flight at like 500 AGL.
I ferried a super decathlon from here to Texas. My first like real long cross country flight. Little old me and my iPad, and it was the same thing, man. I was cruising down 500 AGL above like the farm fields of Arkansas, and
yeah,
see cows and sheep down there like looking up at you. It was cool.
That sounds awesome.
I had no idea what I was doing back then.
Yeah,
and I still don't.
Man, the stories I could tell over a beer.
Seriously.
Of flying in my teens.
Everybody's got them, man. Everybody's got those stories.
Yeah. Oh, and we got asked several times why we have parachutes on. This is an aerobatic airplane. It's meant for parachutes, so there's not much back support. The parachutes make you feel better. I promise you, if we lose the engine right now, we're just going to put it on the runway and not eject out here.
Absolutely. The back seat that Kevin's sitting in right now, this is a gigantic just piece of metal that he's sitting on. So yeah, it's a little uncomfortable.
Could you imagine the NTSB report? So you jump,
they jump,
your parachute
the
didn't have time to open.
Yeah, the airplane careened into a house that was otherwise totally flyable
while they were downwind with two 6,000-foot runways.
Good save. Very nice. That's what I wanted to see. Whew. It's too easy when you can just glide right down. Alright, let's do it again. Alright. Let's see like 2 or 3 more of those. Believe the training works. The beautiful thing. Excellent. Alright, I won't do that again to you. That's what I wanted to see.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, you want to try the last one on 9?
Yeah. Cap on 6-8 golf, request a right turn for right downwind 9, full stop.
Cap on 6-8 golf, enter the right downwind runway 9er, clear to land, wind 090 south.
6-8 golf, runway 9, clear to land.
Alright, it all comes down to this. You want runway 9 for a good wheel landing? You better give us all a good wheel landing.
No pressure. Alright, we're at 90.
Woo! That'll just keep us going straight.
I did it!
I was holding my breath for a second, but at the same time I never doubted it.
Huh.
Very nice job. Whew. How do you feel?
I feel good. I mean, I had a few good wheel landings, and the ones that I didn't, I know what I did wrong.
That's what it's all about, man. Excellent job. It was TailWheel pile on the block.
And it's always fun to end on a high note. Ground Decathlon 5068 Golf, Charlie, taxi back to the
Decathlon 5068 Golf, or ground roger, continue departing via Alpha. Have a nice day.
68 Golf, full kill, y'all have a good one as well. See ya. So, did I do good enough?
What's that?
So did I do good enough for the endorsement, or are we doing another ride?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. I wouldn't say newest TailWheel pile on the block for no reason.
Oh, I missed it. Nice. Guys, thanks for riding along. TailWheel endorsement. That was a blast. Jared's been awesome. Jared has now flown Carson for his first private pilot lesson. They did that earlier before this flight. He's flown Jamie for her first acrobatic flight.
He flies better than I do. She flies better than I do. I don't know why I still have a job.
Got the flying family here. Thanks to Jared for that. We'll be back with him. We'll do some aerobatics training with him in the future as well. And we'll show you guys his new... Well, why don't you tell him real quick about the new shop?
Yeah, so I've got a new aerobatic warbird TailWheel flight school starting up. We should, depending on everything that's going on right now, we should be able to start up in the next month. So we'll be moving all these airplanes over there and getting a couple new ones. flying T6s and Stearmans, and have some possibly some Czechoslovakian jet trainers and stuff like that. It'll be a good time, giving rides, training, hopefully some contracts here for spin endorsements and upset training. We'll see where it goes.
So you guys will have to check that out if you're in the area or if you fly in, and I'll make sure to, when they get open, they do their grand opening, we'll go film it and we'll make a little video out of it. Maybe he'll sneak me in one of those military upside down fancy planes.
I'm sure we can work that out.
Till next time, see you guys later. Bye.
Good stuff, man. Thanks. I don't know. And you're more than welcome to take the airplane flying as you see fit. Obviously the aerobatic stuff, don't do any of that until we fly together.
I can't go upside down?
Not until we go together.